Has the warm weather got you thinking about installing an air conditioning system in your home, or perhaps upgrading your existing system? There are many options available today, so finding the right solution for you can be a tough decision to make. Hi, it's Steve from Parts Select. In this video, we'll compare some of the different styles of air conditioners, looking at cost, efficiency, and maintenance requirements. Once we look at these factors, hopefully we'll find a solution that works for you. Now, when looking for an air conditioning system for your home, there are several factors that you'll want to take into consideration, such as the size and shape of your home, as well as your budget. Now, there are several types of air conditioning units available today, such as a portable unit, a window-mounted unit. Currently, a mini-split ductless type of system is very popular, as well as a fully ducted HVAC system that can cool your complete home. Now, some of the factors that we'll want to look at are the efficiency of the unit, the upfront and operating costs of the unit, ease of installation, the maintenance requirements, and the last but not least, noise level. The first unit that we'll look at is the portable unit. The advantages of the portable units are that they can be moved around from room to room in your home. You may choose to use one in a home office during the day and perhaps in a bedroom in the evening. And they can also be used with several types of windows. Now let's look at some of the disadvantages of a portable air conditioner. One of the primary concerns would be the noise level. We find that most portable air conditioners tend to be quite noisy. Now secondly, you may also have to purchase a separate insert for certain types of windows, such as casement style windows. You may also find that they're difficult to move around as they are often quite heavy. And lastly, you'll need to find a place to store them in the off-season. Now the next style we'll look at is a window mount unit. Now there are several advantages to using a window mount style air conditioner. First of all would be their lower upfront cost. There are many sizes and brands available, and the pricing is usually pretty reasonable. As well, they're very easy to install. And lastly, they typically have a very long lifespan, often upwards from 10 to 20 years. Now there are also some disadvantages to window mount air conditioners. First of all will be the noise level. Often find that most window mounted air conditioners can be quite noisy. Secondly is the inconvenience of having to install and remove based on your seasons. It's usually not a good idea to leave a window mounted air conditioner installed during the winter months. And lastly, window mount air conditioners don't work well with all window styles, particularly casement windows. Now next, we'll discuss the increasingly popular ductless mini-split style air conditioner. These units will have multiple modes of operation, such as air conditioning, heating, or fan-only operation. As well, they're very quiet during operation as compared to both window mount and portable air conditioners. And lastly, they typically have a very long lifespan, typically around 20 years with regular maintenance. One of the significant disadvantages to ductless mini-split systems is the upfront costs. However, we do see many utility companies offering discounts for installation of these units, so you should investigate that. Another disadvantage would be that ductless mini-split systems are a little more complex than a standard window mount or portable air conditioner, and maintenance requirements may need to be performed by a professional. Now the last option that we'll look at is the ducted central HVAC system. Now there are two basic types of central HVAC systems available. One style would use your existing ducted heating source, be that a gas-fired or oil-fired furnace. The other style would be similar to the ductless mini-split, where you have a condenser unit mounted outside of your home and an evaporator mounted inside your air handling unit. Now there are several advantages to a central HVAC system, the most obvious being that you can heat or cool your complete home. Secondly, you can easily convert from an existing forced air, be it gas or oil-fired furnace, to a ducted heat pump system. And lastly, this style is also the quietest of all of your options. Now, of course, there are some disadvantages to a central HVAC system as well. Most notably is the upfront cost. This is the most expensive option available. Secondly, it isn't really feasible if your house isn't already ducted. Because it is a more complex system, maintenance is also a little more complex. And lastly, the cost versus the lifespan of the unit may not be as great as a ductless style mini split. Thank you so much for watching this video. We certainly hope that the topics we shared with you today will help you make a decision on choosing the right system for you. For more videos on appliance repair, maintenance, and cleaning tips, be sure to visit our website. And remember to subscribe so you don't miss a thing.